outfit.
What? I thought it was a spider.
I'm sorry. No, I was thinking. Look at that pumpkin over there.
Come on
down. Come on, honey.
I guess Grandma's gonna go trick-or-treating with
All right, we'll just leave Brendan here.
All right.
We'll all go. Come see your pumpkin.
out here. What do you see? Look at your pumpkin. Go outside and look at it. You can go without your shoes for a second. What do you think?
Let's see you in your spider outfit.
Come on.
Let's see.
Oh, goodness.
Stand up. Let's see you as a spider.
Look up. No, no. Look at me.
He's like, what in the world is going on?
This is the best neighborhood ever.
I like the ghost.
Look at this one. It's all orangey. Hi.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Say thank you.
There's ants sticking out of the ground.
I am headed over to Cal State LA to speak, do a guest lecture thing at a film school class. I haven't been in film school in a long time. I went to film school at USC, but it's been a long time, so I'm headed to film school again.
That's MTD right there. It's music, theater, dance, and the undergrad film department in these two buildings. There's our big theater, and then you can't see the film building, but the film building, actually we're about to see it right now. So JJ, it was his class that I'd spoken today. How'd it go? I think it went very well. I think the students were engaged, which is very rare. And they had questions up until the last second. I think they loved it. Thank you for coming.
Oh, it's a blast. I spoke to the film school class about representation as a screenwriter, filmmaker, how you find representation that is an agent or a manager, things that they could do to improve their chances. It's just sort of an industry conversation that I think a lot of film students don't get a lot of counseling or information on. Most of it's the craft of making films and the technology and things of that nature, and less about the business itself. So it was fun.
What do you see up on the street light? What is that in?
The skull.
The skull. All right, hang on to Grandma's hand. Let's go see the skull.
The skull.
I can't see. What is that? Can you lift him up? I'm gonna. Can you touch it? Okay. Somebody put that up there. You happy to see this skull?
Hey bud, where are we?
We're here at Ikea, headed up the escalator. I'm gonna try not to fall on my face. And we're gonna just look for some fun stuff and see what we find.
We're going to the showroom.
What the heck is this?
So apparently, I think it's like the Ikea cookbook because it's all like Swedish food. Well, use lingonberry stuff and.
I've never even heard of a lingonberry.
I've had lingonberries. A lot of lingonberries and Swedish meatballs and salmon and herring.
Be gentle with that. What is this? It's a candle. It's a pine cone candle.
I actually need to get a little candle holder for our the candles that we bought for the jack-o'-lantern. We found out we already had candles, so we bought extra candles, and they smell really good. They smell like cinnamon. They smell like fall, so we're actually going to burn them just as regular candles. But we need a candle holder. It's too low. I feel like I'm like sinking. When you can't afford a boomerang, you can at least get a bummerang.
The best thing about IKEA is the name of their furniture. The Ektorp. Here is the lovely Fjallkinge Landskrona Knislinge Ballkarp Arkelstorp Bias Frihiten Fabrikkor
Vestalapiken.
Malm. Do you prefer the Pax second wardrobe
Yeah.
or the Pax Euli Ugdal?
Oh, you gotta go with Ugdal. How could you not go with Ugdal when that's an option?
The famous Swedish meatballs.
And lingonberries.
Are those lingonberries?
I don't know.
Nice.
It's a very comfortable sofa, but the arms aren't tall enough. Because I always lean sideways and fall asleep, and with no arm, you.
What are you doing, bud?
I'm turning around this chair. Ah!
There's the people that use this furniture. A little less than ideal.
They have adult-size handrails and kid-size handrails.
Eat the stuff.
Is it soft? What are those, bud?
Don't butt.
Yeah, they're little dog butt
Butts.
hanger things.
Some people just don't have enough dog butts in their apartment, in their house. So here.
Don't butt. Under bridge. Under bridge.
You're under the bridge?
Under bridge.
This butt.
Under bridge.
Look at you! Bye! Super cool. So this is what we actually came here for, was wall hangings. Brendan's a little out of sorts at this point. We've been
Okay.
we've been walking around for a long time. He's getting a little tired. We're all starving. So
I want to find
what do we do? What's the plan?
We'll go get Swedish meatballs and go home, then try again another
We'll
day.
try again another day. Are you want to go get some Swedish meatballs? Will that make you feel better?
No.
No? Maybe once you get one in your tummy, you'll feel better. You enjoying your hot dog?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Take this hot dog out.
Yeah. And then I got the Swedish meatballs. The famous IKEA Swedish meatballs with the lingonberry something or other. And
This carrot,
what?
corn, and broccoli, and cauliflower in it.
That's right. Broccoli and cauliflower and
Corn and carrot.
yeah, the carrot and I don't. Is this a yellow carrot? You want to try it?
And look.
All right. That's like a yellow carrot. It's good. You're having a good lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.